If you found a casualty, you should first perform a primary survey and immediately call 999 or 112 from your mobile. Hi there, Michael speaking. I'm a qualified first aid professional and I will be swiftly teaching you how to perform CPR today. Kneel by the casualty and place the heel of your left hand in the middle of the chest. Place your right hand either resting on top or interlocking the fingers with the left hand. Keep your arms straight and lean over the casualty. Press down hard to a depth of about 5 centimeters before releasing the pressure. The beat to staying alive can help you keep the correct rhythm. Do not give rescue breaths. Continue to perform CPR until the emergency services arrive or if the person starts to show signs of life. If you are tired and there is a helper, you can change over every 1 to 2 minutes. If someone gains access to a defibrillator, ask them to switch it on and follow the voice prompts whilst continuing to perform CPR. Wherever possible, helpers should keep a 2-meter distance. If the casualty shows signs of becoming responsive, such as opening the eyes, coughing, speaking, or starting to breathe normally, then put them into the recovery position. Monitor their levels of response and prepare to give CPR again if necessary.